tum pan kai ta e kei ngai no leina wangin la. I know you can hear me now. I shout this out loud, all clear, all for ya. I recollect all the pain I put it through. I had to apologize, but here I go. I just hope you don't find. Don't worry me, I'm dull, but the pain is when I look back. Too bad it's all gone. Hope you're doing great. Honestly, I'm all torn. Let the Lord do His thing as we walk past Hell's Gate. I'ma see ya on the other side. Don't you forget, idiot, pull out my eyes. You deserve the best. I guess I'm not that bitch. After all, everything I do is miss. Hey, I know you can hear me now. Hình qua luôn kia ta e kei ngày